Okay, today's date is 2/13/19. It's now 9 o'clock a.m. Got some waves here for you. Okay, I'm gonna do a walkie over here. Gotta be careful with the snow on the ground. Be careful. I'm used to coming here at the break of dawn, but here I am mid-morning. Nice. It beats me as to what that ship is out there. It's either a sailboat or a canoe or an oil tanker or the Titanic or all above. Again, back on January 24th, some of you have seen my video, I was standing right over there. 20 days ago. Wow. Okay, 3 minutes of recording. That sucker was nice back there. I'll take it. I don't care what anybody says. You know, today's date in 1984, I saw a beautiful left-sided omen, a left eye patch. It was a 4-pole. That was a nice early Christmas. Nice try, James Owen. Birthday present for me. It was on 2/13/84, a nice left-sided omen, a left eye patch. It was on 2/13/84, 35 years ago today. Boy, that was a treat for me. Counteracts any right side omens by a long shot. Somehow package it to save it for 35 years. If you can hear, I thought I heard a rumble of thunder, not from thunder, but from the waves. Probably gonna get some this morning, but no, nothing since January 20th. I'm gonna go pick up my sister at Dunkin' Donuts after I'm through here. Yeah, she's been working there since 7/31/18. The waves ain't too shabby. Same with that big vessel out there. Okay, 6.5 minutes of recording. Let's see what the other beach looks like. Hope we heard the thunder from that wave. Boy, I don't think today's waves are too shabby. Don't you think so, Jason Sellen? And Ronisha also? Supposed to be up in the 40s today to melt the snow that's fallen. And we had about 2 inches. I was just looking at my beaver tail videos from 12/26/17 and also 2/12/18, exactly 1 year ago yesterday. I think today's wave is about as good as the one of 2/12/18. What that vessel is doing out there, going in circles. Beautiful vessel though. I don't think it'll fit in my living room, that big ship out there. I don't think so. Yeah, I really like that ship. Who knows, maybe the captain's videotaping me? Okay, close to 9 minutes of recording. Shouldn't be too much wind on the microphone, so you should be able to hear the waves. Of course, last time I was here was on 1/25/19, Amy Appleby's 60th birthday. My dear old friend I've known for 53 years practically. The wind was really blowing the mic like crazy, even with the cellophane wrapped around my camcorder. But today's audio should be okay. Except for my blabber jabbermouth voice recordings here. I try to keep it in a minimum these days. Who knows where that ship is going? Who knows? Maybe in my own backyard. Got water there too from the snow and rain. Okay, 11 minutes recording. Okay. Boy, that vessel gets any closer, I'll be waving to the captain of the ship. Okay, we're going to pause it here. I'm going to try another clip. Pausing.